The most important thing in life is trust. So trust me when I say that out-of-warranty vehicle you're driving could cost you some serious money when it breaks down. That's why you need to call CarShield now. They're America's most trusted auto protection company and have helped drivers save over $1 billion on car repairs. That's why I choose CarShield, and you should too. Trust that.
Call CarShield for coverage on up to 5,000 parts and get a price lock guarantee on your low monthly rate.
Trust that the older your vehicle gets, the more likely it'll break down, leaving you stuck with the bill. And with CarShield, they don't stop at just saving money on car repairs. Their plans come with so many money-saving benefits, it's hard to find a reason not to call. Here's the bottom line. I trust CarShield, and you should too. Call right now before your car, truck, or SUV decides to break down. Tell them Ice-T sent you.
Call CarShield now for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call now. Call 800-579-6554.